Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to show you another simple trick for Excel. Sometimes we need to work in a such way that we can reduce our working time and working stress. So today I will show you how to change or replace the text for a specific selected cell. So here I have one very big file. This is for BQ of pipe fittings. So all other specification of the items same. Correspondingly, only I want to change the name only. If I want to write the everything here again and again, it will take too much time and it will create boring in my mind. So I want to do it in a short way. See this specification same. So here is the item name is pipes, PVC FFP pipes. Same items, same things here. Let's say 8 or 10 item. So all items specification and size are same. So only I want to change the item name pipe to, let's say, a 90-degree elbow or other things. So how will do this? First I will select which cell and which up to which way I want to change. So I have selected this cell and then I can do it in from keyboard. You can press Ctrl F or you can go to the find and replace portion. So here I will write the I want to change these pipes. So find what I will place the pipes, and in place of pipes I want to write, say, for 90-degree angle. So I am writing 90-degree angle. So if I click replace all, check, it converted every selected items to my desired text. So that is how we can reduce our work time. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Hafiz.